Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change someone's name on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, at the bottom of your screen, tap on Calls. This section displays your recent call history and makes it easy to locate the contacts you communicate with most frequently. It's a convenient starting point when you need to quickly access someone's profile without scrolling through your entire contact list. Once you're in the Calls section, scroll through and find the contact whose name you want to change. Take a moment to locate the right person, especially if you have a lengthy call history. When you spot them, go ahead and tap on that contact. This action will bring up their chat window and give you access to their profile information. Now that you're viewing the conversation with this contact, tap on Contact Info. This option is typically located at the top of the screen and opens up a detailed view of all the information Viber has stored for this person. Here you'll see their profile picture, phone number, and other relevant details about the contact. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and you'll notice a pencil icon. This is the edit button that allows you to modify the contact's information. Go ahead and tap on this pencil icon to enter editing mode. Once you do this, the fields will become editable and you'll be able to make changes to the contact's details. Now you can change the first name and last name fields to whatever you prefer. Maybe you want to use a nickname, add their company name, or simply correct a misspelling. Type in the new name exactly as you want it to appear in your Viber contacts. This change will only affect how the contact appears on your device, so you can personalize it however you like without worrying about changing anything on their end. After you've entered the new name, look at the top of the screen and tap Save. This confirms your changes and updates the contact information immediately. The new name will now appear throughout Viber whenever you interact with this person, whether in calls, messages, or your contact list. And that's it. You've successfully changed someone's name in your Viber contacts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.